Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the new lesson, that is linear inequations. Now what do you understand by linear inequations? First of all, we know that equation. In the last lesson we have studied about the equation. The statement which tells us the equality between the equation, that is known as a equation. Now, where the statement shows the inequality, that means it is lesser or greater, like that if it is showing, then it will be known as a inequation. So we are going to study in this lesson about linear equation. So linear inequation means what? Linear inequation which shows us some inequality between the equation, means sometimes it is greater or lesser, sometimes greater than equal to or less than equal to. For that we have some examples, that is ax plus b is greater than 0, which shows the inequality between the equation. Next, ax plus b less than 0, then ax plus b less than equal to 0, then ax plus b greater than equal to 0. This implies the linear inequation where always a is not equals to 0. So this is about the linear inequation. Now let us study about replacement of set and solution set. So now suppose the statement is given as x is greater than 6. So what are the possibilities of that? So if the replacement set is given, that means universal set, like universal set. So if the replacement set is given as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So what can be the solution set for this? What is said here? Statement is x is greater than 6. So what can be the solution set here? X should be greater than 6. So what will be the set? 8 and 10. This is the solution set. Now suppose if the replacement set is this 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9 and 11. So what will be the solution set for this? Since we know the statement x is greater than 6. So numbers which are greater than 6, they are 7, 9 and 11. This is the solution set for this. Like that way we can replace the set, means whatever the replacement set is given, that is the universal set, and solution set is the truth set. So like that we have to follow it. Now let us study about the properties of the same. So first property, when you will add the number to the inequation on both the sides, when you will add it, still the statement will be same only. There will be no difference, no change in the sign. So you can see here, if a is greater than b, then suppose if in a and b we are adding c, still the sign will be same, it will not change. Same way here also, if a is less than b, so then a plus c, means c is added to both sides, still the sign will be remain same. There will be no change. To prove that, we will see one example. 8 is greater than 5. We know 8 is greater than 5. If we will add something to 8 and 5, so suppose I am adding 13 to both sides. Still after adding that also, we will get the same sign, right? So if we will add 13 plus 8, what is the answer? As 21. And here 5 plus 13, it will be 18. So which is the greater number? This. Still see the sign is same. So in this way, whether you are adding the any other number to both the sides, the answer you will get always same. Now next property, subtraction. If we will do the subtraction, means if we will subtract any number from this both the, means whatever the statement will be given. So when you will subtract the number to the both sides, still the sign will remain the same. That means a is less than b, then a minus c and b minus c if we will do, still the answer will be same. For example here, now 13 is greater than 8. If you will subtract from 13 5, the answer will be same. From 8 you will subtract, the answer you will get whatever is there. Then afterwards you will see that the sign will not change. This is the truth where you have to just see. Then next one is multiply. After multiplying some number to the both side also, that also positive number. The number which is greater than 0, if we are multiplying to both the sides, the answer will be same, and second thing, the sign will be same. Means answer means the sign will be same. Okay. That means suppose the number is 5 is greater than 2. Here it implies that 5 is greater than 2. So same way if you multiply 3 to both the sides. So you can see here 15 is there, 5 is a 15, 2 3 is a 6. So 15 is greater than 6. Like that way we have again one more property, that is if negative number is multiplied. Let us see. If we will multiply 5 multiplied by negative 3, and here we will see 2 multiplied by negative 3. What is the answer here? Negative 15. And here what is the answer? Negative 6. And we know that negative 6 is greater than negative 15. So if the number is minus, this is the fourth property. If the number is minus, then definitely it will just reverse the sign. Always keep in mind. Same way in the division also. When you are dividing the number with the positive number on both the sides, then you will have no change in the sign. But if you are dividing with the negative number, then the sign will reverse. This you have to keep in the mind. So these are all the properties which we have studied now. Next we will see some of the examples related to the topic. Now let us have a look to the example. So find the solution set of the inequation. This is the inequation given to you, 12 plus 6x greater than 0, where x is negative integer. This is given the example. So how you will find out? This 6x will be as it is. This 12, positive 12 will go this side and it will be negative 12. Now in this, if we will divide by 6 to both sides, does any change will occur? No. If we will divide it, so 6x divided by 6, it will be remaining only x. Negative 12 divided by 6, it will be negative 2. Sign will be same. So here after dividing we are getting x is greater than negative 2. And it is said that x is negative integer. So the numbers which are there more than this, that we have to write. So solution set will be negative 1. So it can be more. 1, 0, 2, 3, 4 positive, it can be there. But what they told, x is a negative integer only. So x is a negative integer, so it will be only negative 1. So in this way we can solve the example. Now let us have a look to the different topic of this lesson, that is number line. You are very familiar with the number line. This is a number line which is seen here. So on number line there are the different integers, like for example from here 0 to infinity it may be there. Here negative 1, 2, 3 means it may be infinity again. So according to that we are forming a number line. Negative and positive numbers as well as 0 is included in that. That is known as a number line. So we can just make a graphical representation of inequation in this number line. So how? Let us see. So the example is given as x is less than 4. So x is less than 4 and x belongs to natural number. So make the solution set x is less than 4. So less than 4, what are the numbers? Natural numbers 1, 2 and 3. So these are the natural numbers which are less than 4. So we have to mark this on the number line. How you will mark it? Just see. 1 is there, make it in a dark way. Then 2 is included and 3 is included. And just dark the portion over there. Okay. So these are the corresponding numbers which are included in the given statement. So in this way we can make a graphical representation of a different inequation which are given there. So with this we completed our 15th lesson, that is linear inequation. Thank you.